tumbled leather. Yo, what's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today, man, we got the Kobe 8s on deck for a performance review. We got these from my boy Joe. Y'all know how it is already with the quality with Joe. These are really dope. This is the Easter pair. I don't remember what year they came out. I was supposed to have gotten these a while ago, but something happened with shipping and they got lost, and then all of a sudden they got found. So here they are now. All right, so I've been wanting to do a performance review on these for a long time, ever since I seen them. And this is the infamous shoe that Kobe ended up tearing his Achilles tendon in. So definitely caution will be taken greatly when wearing this shoe on the court. All right, so before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends, all that stuff that everybody else says in their videos. Please do that here, really appreciate it, and it helps the channel grow. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Check out the Reels page. The Reels page is popping. And also, if you have any questions or anything like that, you can always join us in the Discord. The link is in the description. We really try to help everybody find shoes in the Discord. We have a really good community in there, all right? So the link is in the description. Follow us in that Discord. So I'm not gonna spend too much time because I really wanna get to the court and wear these so we can see what they are about. Now, this is the shoe that really started the Kobe system. This shoe is super clean, very nice. It's really kind of like a prime knit upper, and it's all prime knit. I mean, the upper's really flimsy and flexible, but it's strong, very durable. You guys can see I'm squeezing that right there. If you guys see right here, you can see where it's all prime knit. This is all prime knit material up through. The tongue is really flimsy and really light. You have all these holes in here, which I assume you could put the laces through if you wanted to. I wouldn't recommend it, but you could if you wanted like a better lockdown. The lockdown on the shoe is decent, not the greatest for me. I don't think it was my favorite, but yeah, laces are nice and thin, very long. They tie really nice. They put nice knots in your shoes so your foot doesn't fly out of the shoe. So very dope there. I like this speckle pattern right here. Got some nice vibes there going. You got your Kobe sign in the back. Got some leather stuff here, and this heel guard right here. This ankle guard right here is very nice. This heel counter, so not bad there. You guys can hear that. It's a nice little counter there. Only thing is, this is a really low cut shoe, and I don't know if I'm gonna like this on the court, but we'll see how it feels when we get on the court. Medial side of the shoe looks pretty good. I like this pattern right here. I like the turquoise, the purple, and then you got that gold on the other side. I really do like that. I think they did a good job with that. Mud guard is pretty good. I don't know how this is gonna do on the court, how it's gonna wear up, but this actually is pretty firm, so we will see there. I did try these on, so the bottom's a little dirty. I was walking around just trying to feel them out. They feel really light. I can feel the floor really a lot in these, so I'm not sure how these are gonna feel. Really not sure, but I do like this pattern right here. That's the herringbone traction. Really good traction on that. You're gonna get that on any shoe. And standard tissue paper came with these joints. And then let's see what we got. We have this insole, which is like a, oh, this really reminds me of the GT Cut. So this is like a drop-in insole. Now I know there's another pair. I'm not sure if it's this pair, but they'll have an air unit on the bottom, but this isn't that pair. So really it's just kind of like a thick foam piece. And then inside here, you can see that it's just, that's all it is. So the bottom squeeze test, it's hard to squeeze this. It's definitely, I'm putting some pressure there. It's hard to squeeze this. You got carbon fiber plate right there too, so I don't know. This is hard. This is a really well-made shoe, so I'm actually curious to see how these are gonna perform. So how about this? Let's go to the court. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. Do some little performance. I'm gonna probably play some games, and then I'll wrap the video up there, all right? Let's go. Then I'll play them. Feel lower too.
That's because that's old school. That's what React Film is supposed to be.
All right, y'all, Kobe 8 Easter. These joints right here. Very, very, very good shoe. The only thing is, it's very flat. If you want something more modern with a lot more comfort, then I would definitely stay away from these. The grip is pretty good. You feel really, really light on the court when you use these. All right, bro. You feel really, really light on the court when you use these. The only thing is, it's just flat, like you really hug the ground. I would definitely suggest something different. Kobe 6 maybe, more cushion. The GT cut is definitely still good. I think that's probably the best shoe that you could get, that you could use on the court. But this one, yeah, it's good. I'll probably give it like a B+, maybe a B. Definitely not the best, but if you want speed, you definitely want this. Also, one thing to mention is how low cut it is. That really, really low cut right there, I really feel like my ankle's like too free. I need a little bit more of a mid cut. So like the 6 or the 5 is a little bit better than the 8. And because it's so light, I don't feel like I have a lot of stability. Definitely a good shoe though. Good shoe, very lightweight, and it's breathable. Very, very breathable. And it grips the court. The traction was really, really good. I didn't slide around with dust on the court or anything like that. So definitely good. So I would recommend these.